Welcome to today's review of the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026, ranked from number 5 to number 1. Each model offers groundbreaking cleaning performance and smart features. Stay with us until the end to discover a surprising champion that redefines what a modern robot vacuum can achieve. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Eufy E25 Omni, a smart cleaning powerhouse that genuinely surprised me. From its sleek design to its intelligent automation, this one might just change how you think about home cleaning. Body. 1. Design and build. The E25 Omni's ultra-modern finish, compact shape, and thoughtful engineering immediately stand out, making it look premium without feeling over-engineered. 2. Cleaning performance. Its powerful suction and adaptive brush system lift dirt effortlessly, leaving carpets and hard floors noticeably fresher. 3. Smart navigation. With precise mapping and obstacle detection, it glides confidently through rooms, learning layouts with impressive accuracy. 4. Self-maintenance. A self-emptying base and auto-cleaning mop pads mean less work for you, adding real convenience. 5. Price point. Considering its performance, the E25 Omni offers excellent value, surprisingly affordable for such advanced features. Conclusion. If you want smart, hands-free cleaning, the E25 Omni is absolutely worth a look. Number 4. The Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete, a product that's turning heads in the fitness world. Sleek, powerful, and surprisingly affordable at around $129, this roller promises to change the way you recover, stretch, and boost performance. Stick around, you might be ready to grab one by the end of this video. Performance. This roller packs a punch. Its vibration tech reaches deep into muscles, melting tension and improving circulation. Whether post-workout or for daily use, it feels professional-grade, yet smooth and quiet. You'll be surprised how quickly your muscles relax after just a few minutes. Design. Lightweight, durable, and stylish, the Z60 Ultra Roller fits perfectly in your home gym or office. Its sleek design and easy grip make it a joy to use. Ease of use. Plug it in, select intensity, and roll. Simple controls make it beginner-friendly, while pros will love the customizable vibration settings. Value for money. At $129, it's a steal for what it offers, professional muscle therapy without expensive sessions. Conclusion. The Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete is innovative, effective, and surprisingly affordable. If you want faster recovery and better flexibility, this is a must-have. Number 3. The Dreame Matrix 10 Ultra, a next-gen robot vacuum that feels like the future. Retailing around $899/799, it combines smart mapping, powerful suction, and self-emptying convenience. Stick around, this gadget will totally surprise you. Performance. The Matrix 10 Ultra cleans with insane power. It goes from hardwood to carpet seamlessly, sucking up dust, crumbs and pet hair like a pro. You'll be genuinely impressed by how much it picks up in one pass. Smart features. Equipped with advanced LiDAR and AI, it learns your rooms fast. App control gives custom zones, no-go lines and scheduling that feels effortless and clever. Design. Sleek, sturdy and modern, it looks premium. The self-empty station saves so much time, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Ease of use. Setup is quick. Voice control works with Alexa and Google Home. Truly intuitive. Conclusion. The Dreame Matrix 10 Ultra feels like a robot butler, worth every penny. Number 2. The Roborock Qrevo CurvX, a futuristic robot vacuum priced around $799/699. It's not just clever, it feels like it thinks for you. Trust me, once you see it in action, you'll want one in every room. Performance. The CurvX glides with powerful suction that tackles dust, hair, and debris like a champ. Cutting-edge sensors adapt to floors instantly, leaving carpets fresher and hard floors spotless. You'll be genuinely amazed how much it picks up in every pass. Smart navigation. Mapping feels magical, smart pathing, zone avoidance, and room-by-room cleaning with ease. The app makes custom schedules super simple. It remembers your space. Design. Sleek, modern curves hide astonishing power. Compact but mighty, it fits under furniture and looks premium. Convenience. Auto empty station? Yes. Voice control? Absolutely. Daily cleaning that's effortless. Conclusion. The Roborock CurvX feels like the future of clean, worth every penny. Number 1. The Dreame L50 Ultra, a smart robot vacuum that's turning heads. At around $699, it promises cutting-edge cleaning technology. Stick around, because what this little powerhouse can do might just surprise you. Design and build. The L50 Ultra sports a sleek, modern design that fits any home. Compact yet robust, it maneuvers effortlessly around furniture. Its high-quality finish feels premium, and you'll love how quietly it glides while cleaning. Suction and cleaning power. With ultra-strong suction, it tackles dust, pet hair, and crumbs like a pro. It even handles carpets and hard floors with ease. You won't believe how efficiently it maps and cleans every corner. Smart features. Equipped with AI navigation and smart mapping, it avoids obstacles and plans the most efficient cleaning routes. App control allows scheduling, spot cleaning, and more. Maintenance and convenience. Emptying the dustbin is effortless, and self-cleaning brushes save time. The L50 Ultra practically takes care of itself. Conclusion. At $699, the Dreame L50 Ultra is worth every penny. It's powerful, intelligent, and surprisingly convenient, definitely a game-changer for home cleaning. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.